Evolution of cell. The earliest cells probably arose about 3.5 billion years ago in the rich mixture of organic compounds, the primordial soup, of prebiotic times. They were almost certainly chemoheterotrophs. Primitive heterotrophs gradually acquired the capability to derive energy from certain compounds in their environment and to use that energy to synthesize more and more of their own precursor molecules, thereby becoming less dependent on outside source of these molecules, less extremely heterotrophic. A very significant evolutionary event was the development of photosynthetic ability to fix carbon dioxide into more complex organic compounds. The original electron, hydrogen, donor for these photosynthetic organisms was probably by H2S, yielding element sulfur as the byproduct, but at some point, cells developed the enzymatic capacity to use H2O, water, as the electron donor in photosynthetic reactions, producing O2, oxygen. The cyanobacteria are the modern descendant of these early photosynthetic O2, oxygen, producer. One important landmark along this evolutionary road occurred when there was a transition from small cells with relatively simple internal structures, the so-called prokaryotic cells, which includes various types of bacteria, to a flourishing large and radically more complex eukaryotic cells such as are found in higher animals and plants. Three major changes must have occurred as prokaryotic gave rise to eukaryotics. First, as cell acquired more DNA, mechanism evolved to fold it compactly into discrete complex with specific proteins and to divide it equally between daughter cells at cell division. These DNA protein complex called chromosomes become especially compact at the time of cell division. Second, as the cell become larger and intracellular membrane organelles developed. Finally, primitive eukaryotic cells, which were incapable of photosynthesis or of aerobic metabolism, pooled their assets with those of aerobic bacteria or photosynthetic bacteria to form symbiotic association that became permanent.